Hello students, greetings to you all. This is a chapter from the Civics, the Union Parliament. We know that our country India has a parliamentary form of government. The ruling powers are divided in between the Union and the states. The Union Parliament of India comprises the President and the two houses of the Parliament. The two houses are the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Now we are going to learn in little detail about the topic the Lok Sabha. Here we are going to learn about the term of the Lok Sabha, the composition, the qualifications and about the speaker, and to the topic the Rajya Sabha, the term of the Rajya Sabha, the composition, the qualifications and about the presiding officers. Now let's go in detail on the topic the Union Parliament, specifically the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha is the House of the People. The members are elected directly by the people of India. And the term of the Lok Sabha is, according to the Constitution, the term of the Lok Sabha is 5 years. It can be dissolved before the expiry of his normal term by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister of India. And the composition of the Lok Sabha, the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha is 552 members. Out of it, 530 members are from the states, 20 members from the Union Territories, and 2 members are from the Anglo-Indian community and are nominated by the President of our country. The qualifications to the members of the Lok Sabha. He should be Indian citizen. He should be at least 25 years of age. He should have his name in the voters list. He should not be in debt. He should not hold any office of profit under the government. He should not be proclaimed criminal. He should not be of unsound mind. And the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. He is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha. He conducts the business of the House. He occupies a position of great under the government. He should not be proclaimed criminal. He should not be of unsound mind. And the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. He is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha. He conducts the business of the House. He occupies a position of great authority and responsibility. He maintains the discipline in the House. Election of the Speaker. He is elected from among its own members. Soon newly elected House meets for the first time. Deputy Speaker is also elected to perform the duties when the Speaker is absent in the Lok Sabha. Now let's go to another topic, the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha is the upper house or the Council of States. It represents the states of the Indian Union. Composition. The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250 members. The members are two types. The nominated and elected members are there. The nominated members are 12. They are nominated by the President from among persons having special knowledge in the matters such as literature, science and art, social service. The elected members are 238 and elected from the states. The representatives of each state in Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected members of the Legislative Assembly of each state. And the term of the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha is Parliament House. Members are elected for a period of 6 years. And 1/3 of the total members of the Rajya Sabha retire after every 2 years. The retired members can be re-elected if they desire. Qualifications. The qualifications of the Rajya Sabha members are similar to the Lok Sabha members except the age. The age of the Rajya Sabha member is 35 and the Lok Sabha member is 25. Presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha. The Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of the presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha. He presides over the meetings of the Rajya Sabha and deputy chairman. He is elected from among the members of the Rajya Sabha and performs his duties in the absence of the presiding officers. So today this much. Thank you children. Have a good day and learn your lesson.